正在录制该会议。
Hello, Professor. My name is Li Bingqi. Today I will be presenting on the Peranakan Naya culture of Malaysia's street-born Chinese community. Its core idea is that in places such as Penang and Malacca, early Chinese migrants developed long-term contact and intermarried with local communities, gradually forming a hybrid culture that retains Chinese traditions while becoming deeply localized. I use very theory varies acculturation model emphasizes that when a group enters a new cultural environment and maintains certain contact with the mainstream culture, it will make choices between maintaining the original culture and integrating into the mainstream culture, thereby producing different acculturation pathways. Non-Yang culture clearly reflects such an acculturation outcome. It preserves Chinese family and ritual traditions while also absorbing Malay and broader local Southeast Asian elements, forming a distinctive identity. So, cultural elements such as food, Chinese techniques blended with Malay, Indonesia spices, and coconut milk. And then architecture, Penang, Malacca, shop houses, and homes showing streets, eclectic aesthetics such as tiles, carving, and courtyard. Customs, weddings rooted in Chinese rituals, shaped by local influences. Dress craftsmanship, sorrow and beaded shoes impressing identity and heritage. So, summary, Naya culture is a highly representative case within Malaysia's multicultural society. It shows how culture can be blended through interaction and transmitted through everyday practice. And it also serves as an important window for understanding urban history and multicultural memory. If I were to live in Nanya household, I might experience an exquisite yet warm daily life, fusion cuisine on the dining table, street eclectic style decorations at home, and an emphasis on handicraft traditions, respect for elders, and a strong sense of ceremony. The overall atmosphere would feel friendly, tasteful, and cultural rich. Thank you for watching.